Hello, it's Ashley here from Paper&Twine. I hope everybody is well. It is the most awful, miserable, cold, windy, damp Friday morning here in the UK, and I should be cleaning, I should be doing washing, but I am going to cheer myself up by doing some crafting, and I am going to do my first ever art journal page in my little art journal that I made following the lovely WoollySteph's tutorial. Just seen I've got a bit of an ink splodge on there, a little bit of shimmer. Never mind. Yes, so what I've already gone ahead and done, I will put this up for you. I have made some backgrounds and I didn't know whether I wanted to do blue or green. I think what I've filmed is me making a blue background, and I've just gone ahead and taken an A4 sheet and I've cut it down. I've also got a piece of black card which is 4 by 4 inches, which I am going to mat this on. This is 3 7/8 by whatever times 2 times 3 7/8 is, because I'm doing a slightly bigger page. So I'm just going to let the camera roll and I'll speed the process up for you, and we'll have a little talk through what I've done at the end perhaps. So I've had a lovely little play, and I would like to thank Steph for giving us all the confidence to have a go at this, because you know, I don't consider myself to be an artist, I'm a crafter, but I'm quite pleased with what I've created. But you know, really nice little time. And a bonus, I've done one load of washing and I've got another load in as we speak. So talking through the journal, first of all, I used stamp area paper from the Imagine pad, and I did mine slightly different to Steph's because I didn't listen to the instructions, I didn't follow them properly. And she covered her journal with a sheet of paper, and then she cut slightly smaller pieces to mat and layer and put her string, her ribbon, sort of underneath the top layer on here, if you get my drift. I did mine different because I didn't listen to the instructions. So I've got my ribbon coming from underneath. So you can see this here, which I'm not very happy with. And I've done a little extra piece here. It's this butterfly from this stamp set that I bought a while ago in Hazel's shop. I really like this. The set is called Butterfly Walk from Creative Expressions, and I've stamped it on a little bit of my background in scattered straw. So the background is Brushos, and then I've sprayed a little bit of blue shimmer spray at the top to give like the illusion of sky, and this bronzy colour underneath. And I've just put summer is a coming in, Lordy sing cuckoo, groweth said and bloweth med and springeth wood new. I've put an extra that in there. Sing cuckoo. It's an old English folk song that our music teacher taught us at school, and we used to sing it in a round. And it basically says summer's coming in, let's sing cuckoo. Groweth seed, groweth the meadow, and the wood is growing as well. Sing cuckoo. And I've put prompt 1, summer, May 21st, because that's the date I've completed it, 2021, and I just signed it ACT. I knew that I wanted to use this long stamp from this stamp set, and it is obviously longer than the page of the journal, so that's why I did a double length. And this is my little first ever art journal page. Whoop, whoop. So here we go. I have used one of my backgrounds, as you saw, and I've inked with scattered straw, tumbled glass. Yeah, I think it was just scattered straw, tumbled glass, and a bit of mowed lawn. This I really like for backgrounds, and this I really like for backgrounds. I've used this one here, but I like this Jofi little mini stamp that I've had a very, very long time in my stash. I love it. Just love the little different baubles on it, little circles, and you can see at the bottom, you know, some peeking through there. Then I went in, I'm not quite sure the correct order, so forgive me if I'm wrong, but I went in with this Lavinia Stencils. I think this is Pebbles. yeah, Pebble, which I really like, just to give the illusion of pebbles. And I went in with mowed lawn, and then I tore a strip of paper and I went in with gathered twigs to get this little line here, as if the plants are growing in the soil, after I'd stamped. And you might have seen that I masked this stamp here, which has got 4 little bits of floral botanical on, but I only wanted 3 to fit in that, so I used a bit of washi tape to mask off, and that's a good way of getting more out of your stamps. And then we stamped this. I used the stamp platform because it is a big long stamp and I wanted to make sure that I got it all. It is a little bit heavy. I went in first with the VersaFine and then I went in with the VersaFine Clay, and it's maybe a little bit heavy, I don't know. And then we used some clear texture paste that I coloured with some Cosmic Shimmer Pixie powders, and we used this Doodles stencil from Tim Holtz, and I'm loving this texture paste. I just got it from the range. It is an art product though. Is it Dale Rowney? I don't know. It's some proper art material, texture paste, but it dries really quickly and gives a lovely sharp finish to this fine stencil. I haven't applied it through any other stencils yet, so I don't know what it's like. Then we tore part of this napkin, which I bought from Sainsbury's a while ago. And I chose the Ladybird, Bumblebee and Dragonfly because to me they're signs of summer, and I've left those fairly plain. Used Mod Podge to apply them, and then I went in with a little bit of this Lavinia's Eco Starbrights glitter on the Dragonfly, and because the Mod Podge was still slightly tacky, I have got a little bit of glitter going on there. Sorry, Steph, I know she doesn't like bling. And there's a little bit here as well as stuck onto the Mod Podge. I should have been patient and let it dry, but I'm not patient. And then we used these art stones, which I've had a very long time again in my stash, from Imagination Crafts. I think they're a company that do a lot of mixed media type products. So we've got the small and the medium. They cost me £2.50. I have been online to see if you can get them, and Honeypot Crafts is selling them for £2.49. I don't know what their postage is. And you can get large as well. Again, I didn't let this dry properly. And I've sprayed with Lindy's Magicals spray. I'm not sure of the colour, but it's like a bronzy colour. So that is my very first art journal page. I really enjoyed it. Please don't be too judgmental, but I have really enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to the next prompt. I'm going to make some more of these journals now for gifts for people. So I shall be back soon. Thank you very much. Take care, everybody.